Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your YouTube link in TikTok on PC, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see your profile picture at top right corner. Just hover over there and you'll be able to see the view profile option at top. Just click over there and now you will be redirected to your profile page, where you can see the edit profile option. Just tap on it. Now finally you can see the bio option. You simply need to add your YouTube link over here. And finally click on save and you'll be able to add your YouTube link successfully. So basically this is how you can add your YouTube link in TikTok on PC, and if you encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.